In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable 2FA on your Namecheap account quickly and safely. If you no longer want to use two-factor authentication, or you're switching to a different security setup, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can turn it off without confusion. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the Profile menu. From there, go to Security. This is where Namecheap keeps your account protection and login settings, including two-factor authentication. On the Security page, scroll to the Access section. Here, you should see two-factor authentication listed as an option. This is the setting that controls whether 2FA is turned on or off for your account. Next, click Manage. Namecheap will open the controls for your two-factor authentication settings. In this area, you should see the current status of 2FA and the option to change it. Set the 2FA option to Off. This tells Namecheap that you want to disable the extra login verification on your account. After that, Namecheap may ask you to confirm the change. Depending on your account settings, you might need to enter your password again or provide a verification code before the change is completed. This is just a security check to make sure it's really you making the update. Once you confirm, Namecheap will process the request and turn off two-factor authentication for your account. At that point, 2FAs will be disabled, and you'll be able to sign in using your regular login details, without the extra verification step. Just remember, disabling 2FAs can make your account less secure, so only do this if you're sure it fits your needs. If you ever want to protect your account again later, you can always go back into the same security settings and re-enable it. So that's it. You've now learned how to disable 2FA on Namecheap. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.